Good evening, Shridev ji. What are your key learning from day 2 and how this key learning will be helpful to be a better advisor?
Good evening, sir. Yesterday you said three case studies. So when we understanding about a case study is different from person to person. So when we are taking their case study, we have to do some planning in such a way that customer should be get benefited. For that, understand their liability first, and we have to focus on reducing the liability. Then automatically we can convert it into an investment. But before we could help them, we cannot convert it in an investment. First, we have to make them to get benefited by our plannings. For that, we have to practice more and more cases when we meet clients. We have to understand each and every parameters about their. That I understood. To do CFP is very important for a financial advisors to understand about planning, to provide the services of planning. Without that, when we become distributor, it is only just like a selling tablets. So comprehensive learning is must for everyone when we want to advise. That key learning which I learned after joining EMI to SIP.